gantian ketemu sama Ainun.
Hari ini Bu, jam berapa?
Satu mau aku majukan.
Ini tekan mama.
Hah?
Di tengah mama.
Oh, udah. Oh ya, nggak nyala tadi.
Ini
Miss, gak ada observer kan ya?
Sudah ada.
oh udah.
Oke, ready? Guestnya hanya Alia aja.
Ya, nggak apa-apa. Nanti
Kalau
kita
timernya ada Pak.
itu.
Oh, sudah bisa nih ya. Oke, kita dimulai saja ya Bu.
Oh ya, maaf. Mulai.
Baik, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
Okay, good morning everyone. Good morning Bu Fanti. Happy to see you today. So for today we will start the final exams. Like I already said to you in our previous meetings. There will be 2 students for today final exams. The rules still same. Each of you have 13 minutes as a total for doing the performance. And after that, for final exam we don't have comments both from observer or from lectures. Jadi after the first performance, langsung go move to the next performance. Ya. Jadi silakan. Who Siapa yang jadi yang pertama? Siapa?
Andi. Iya.
Gimana kabarnya Woody?
Woody.
That's like news.
Oh,
Andi, silakan boleh. I'm really prepared. And may start as long as you're ready.
Oke.
The timer, who will be timer?
Oh, udah.
Siapa yang akan jadi timer?
Yang jadi timer siapa? Audi, Miss.
Oh iya, sudah ya. Yeah, must remember for final exam you will evaluate from all the competencies, from all the basic reading skills. Hope all of the basic reading skill can be observed. Ya, jadi pastikan bahwa kamu menampilkan ke 8 basic reading skill ya.
Oke, Miss.
Okay. You may start.
Oke, Miss. I want to start. Kabelnya apa? Kabelnya? Yang ini ya? Wait.
Ya.
Iya.
Oh, Andy using international curriculum ya?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Oke. Enggak, itu buat nanti pas kegiatan.
Oh.
Aku muter dulu. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Tua.
No, started. Oh. Tekan lagi. Nah.
Okay, hello, assalamualaikum. Good morning, everyone. How are you today?
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay, how was your weekend yesterday? Do you have fun?
No.
Yes, I will.
Oh, so some of you did have fun and some of you don't. Why? Why you don't have
A
fun?
lot of homework, Miss.
A lot of homework. Oh, it's so
Makanya
sad.
kerjain.
I did it. That's why it's on weekend.
Okay, but at least you get some rest during the weekend. So today, before we start, let's we pray together. Can someone lead the prayer? Audi, may you help me?
Okay, Miss. Before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Praying start. Praying finish.
Okay, thank you, Audi. Okay, so there are students are not come here today.
Yes.
Jordan.
Jordan, where is Jordan? Why he not coming to the class?
He's in a competition.
Competition? What kind of competition?
It's cheerleader.
Cheerleader. Since when he become cheerleaders?
He is fire. Don't forget he is.
Oh, she cheers for Aryo. Okay. Okay, student, thank you. So before we begin, I hope you ready to take a lesson today. And please prepare your book or your notebook, and you can keep your phone aside during the lesson. Okay, are you ready for today's lesson?
Yes.
Why no? Okay, sorry, there are some trouble.
Malas.
Okay, let's look.
I'm malas too.
Student, please pay attention. Let's we start the lesson. Okay, so here in the slide, do you see the picture?
Yes, we see the picture.
Okay, maybe you can get ready first. Okay, Alia. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's see the picture to the slide. The first picture one, do you spot the difference?
Butterfly.
The color. The color.
Yes, it's butterfly and the color is different from each other. And
Yeah.
let's see the picture two. It's apples, right?
Yes.
What's the difference between all the type of apple in this picture?
The colors, the pattern,
The
the shape,
flavor.
also. Yeah,
The flavor also. But
Yes.
when you look to this apple, it has very bright color, right?
Yeah.
And what the type of apple you want to eat from when you look at it?
I don't know apples.
I want the pink.
From the picture, like from the
Oh.
color.
I like the red one.
The
I
red
want the
one.
pinkish one.
The pinkish one. And do you know, this picture have very different characteristic, right, from each other. If you remember about our yesterday meeting, we discussed about the inheritance genetic. So this can be different because they're genes.
Yeah.
And what you saw, like the type of color and the color of the butterfly, it's because the gene. What type of gene that we can see like this? Do you still remember about the phenotype?
Yes. The color.
The color, yeah.
The
What is the
character-
phenotype?
Phenotype.
Phenotype,
The characters that can be seen. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
right, Audi, excellent. The phenotype is something like we can see it. And what is the relation between the phenotype, between the gene, with what we will learn today? So I will explain. So the relation between the phenotype and the relation, do you still remember that parents inherit their gene to their offspring?
Yes.
Alia, please pay attention. Can you set your phone during the lesson? Okay. So the phenotype it can cause also, but can influence by the environment, and the characteristic is inherited from the parents. But the genetics can also influence by the environment. For example, what I mean is like this butterfly. It have different color. What do you think makes them different color than genetic for the environmental factor?
Environmental.
Yes, from the environmental. For the example, to keep their from the predators and the apples, they need to spread their seeds, right?
Yeah.
So they're full of some characteristic to attract their predators. What is the colors? The colors. And now what happen if the environmental change, but they cannot adapt with those change?
They die.
Die.
Die. Why they die? And some some die and some still alive. Why? This kind of that, what it called? It's like selection. So there are selection, right? So the most fittest will be survive. Okay. Right. So let's next to the second picture. Do you spot the difference?
Yes. The beach.
The beaks. Why the beaks is different from each other?
Different species.
Yeah, different bird.
Actually, this is the same species.
Really?
Yes, look at the colors,
Oh.
the eyes, but they have different in their beaks because the environment.
Big is paru.
Their type of food.
Oh.
Their type of food. Their type of food is different, so they develop some characteristic. Okay, so from this picture we already discussed. Do you know what we will going to learn today?
Evolution.
Selection.
That's right. Adaptation. You correct. You all correct. We will learn about, especially, natural selection.
Yay.
So I hope by the end of this lesson you will explain why natural selection can occur and analyze the influence of the environment on the survival of organisms and identify 3 types of natural selection. So from the picture of different kind of beaks in the bird, what is natural selection? Do you know what is natural selection? Like natural and selection? It can be. It's okay, you don't need to be correct or perfect because you will find out what is natural selection by doing the activities. We will having fun today.
Okay.
We will play a game. I think you will love it.
Okay.
So, can anyone help me to read the text in this slide? Okay, thank you, Alia.
Birds on island.
Yeah.
Do you know the text? Okay. A group of birds lives on a small island. At first, food is abundant. These birds rely on seeds as their food source. One day, food becomes limited, and all birds must compete to obtain enough food to survive.
Okay, enough until there. Thank you, Alia. So, in this island, there are some type of birds. They have different beaks, but they are same species. So the birds rely on seeds on their food. Before, the food is abundant, but maybe because the overproduce the bird, and maybe because some lack of the food because the environmental change, they become competition with each other to survive because the food become limited, right? Before the food become limited, is also there also a competition because there are so many overproduced birds, but because some environmental change, the competition got more lebih kuat gitu. What I mean like this, and from this case, do you think all birds will obtain food equally?
No.
What do you think from this case? No. And why?
There's a competition.
There is competition, right?
Competition, yeah, because of the food.
Because of the food. And which bird do you think will be more successful?
The one who can adapt.
The one who can adapt. Okay, from this let's make some of hypotheses. So from this case, the food is become limited. And you said before, you already answered, that there become competence competition. And the bird do you think will be more successful is the one who can be adapt.
Yeah.
Okay, let's write here the hypothesis one.
Okay.
I will write like this. The bird will be more successful is the bird who can be adapt. And what do you think the hypothesis two? Like how different big types can influence feeding success under different environments. Like what the type of pigs that more successful during this?
The big one.
Yeah, I think.
The one that have a sharp
The one that have sharp.
beaks,
Or I
maybe.
feel like the beak that isn't the food. I mean, like the food. It's not written in here. Food
Yes.
source apa. So like, if the food is like biji-bijian, then the birds that eat not biji-bijian will be more surviving.
That's what I'm waiting for. So, because it's not really writing here the types of the food, we will doing the activities. So you after these activities you will know what type of the bird can get more successful. So you can scan this activity for the instruction, and I will give you also the a paper. So
Cool.
wait, sorry. So I will divide you into the two groups.
Okay.
Audi can join Sunny. You are become group A, and Farah and Sinda you become group B.
Pen.
So the activities is you will play big battles activity to know natural selection.
Oh no.
So I will explain the instruction, but I will give you some materials first. Okay, this is for group B. Okay, I will give you a demonstration.
Is it raw, miss?
Yes, it's raw. Please don't eat it.
I want to eat it.
Don't eat it. Please don't eat it. So I will give you a demonstration. So you and your friend will doing big activities, big battle activities. So you have 3 people. So some of you maybe become the stomach. So you become the stomach of the bird,
Okay.
and you can carry the box. And some of you become the bird, the beak. So this is the beak, the type of beaks.
Okay.
So they are 2 round, and you are in 2 people. So each one of you will hold like this beak. Yeah, one type of beak, and we'll try to collect the food with the beak like this. Like this. So there will be 2 rounds. The first rounds is the food is mixed to, for example, like natural condition. And the the round 2 is the example of the environmental changing. So in the round 1, I will give you 30 seconds to collect the food, and after that I will give you some time to write down your findings, and you can counting the food you get from that, and after that we can go to round 2. Do you have any question?
No, the first
Maybe
one
some
is
of you
using
still.
this.
Yeah, the first
Like
one.
this.
Yes, like this.
Okay, then
Okay.
the second one.
The second one, you can choose between
I
this type,
choose.
this bigs or this, because we only have limited people, so you can set aside 1 spoon.
Okay.
Okay, but maybe I will try to ask, what do you want? You prefer this one or this one? Spoon. So you will only use these paper clips and spoon to collect the food. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have any question
No.
again? Okay. Do you already understand? It's clear enough.
These are bird stomach.
Yeah, but
Yeah, I think we
this
have
is
to
for
scoop.
stomach.
I think we have to
And
scoop
you cannot like this. So you need to keep the jar
And
strike
I
like this.
scoop this.
Okay.
I want to be stomach.
Yeah, you
Oh, you
stop
want to be
this.
stomach? Okay.
Audi, maybe you can join here, please. What happened, Audi? Why you feel so? What happened? Are you okay?
Here. Don't just
Okay.
stand
Do you have any problems?
No.
Are you already? Do you ready for this?
Okay.
Okay, I will remind again. You only have 30 seconds to collect the
30 seconds?
yes, 30 seconds. So I will.
You send up.
Please don't start before I start.
Yeah.
Just
I
one
think
time.
You are in the middle area.
Because the limit
Yes.
time, I think maybe just one time.
Okay.
I mean, also you, Farah, you
Spoon.
you with spoon, one with spoon and one with paper clips.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, at the same time.
At the same time.
Okay.
Okay, before don't start dulu. Don't start dulu.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Yes.
We collect all the food in one.
Yes, in one stomach.
Yeah, in one stomach. Okay.
And after that,
Okay.
we count.
Yeah, and after that you count based on different type of food.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, already clear?
Okay.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's play this game. Start.
Oh my god. Just like scoop as much as I can, right?
I think it's supposed to be one by one.
You hungry?
I do that, right?
Eh,
Or do I have to get one by one like this?
Yes, one by one, but that's okay.
Okay, let's go. On it, go on.
Okay, ready? 3, 2. Okay, you can count now. Time is up. Okay, don't touch the.
I have to scoop and please, I want you to scoop as much as you can.
I'm sorry, maybe there is misunderstanding,
Oh
but
my God,
it's okay.
I was like scooping as much as I can.
Okay, that's okay. So now let's count your finding. Okay, let's count your finding
Okay.
based on the types, and you can write in the
3,
paper.
5.
After that, we will go to the second round.
So,
Ya berapa sih Miss?
Yes.
oh my god. Good luck yang itu.
Good luck, everyone. It's okay, just count it by one.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh my god.
If you already count, please put back the food into the tray or into the plate.
Yeah.
Do you need any help?
33.
Oke.
Berasnya 33.
Oke.
Peanuts 5.
Rice 33.
Ayo, janganin ayo.
Okay, maybe you can just memperkirakan.
So it's total
It's more than 30 or maybe more than 50. That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. So you can, if you can just write the.
Three for the
And please you still remember, right, what the types like more easily to pick this food.
Of course, spoon.
Yes.
round 2. We do the same thing, ya, Miss?
Yes, we do the same thing but with difference. Okay, you already count.
With different? What do you?
What's the difference?
The difference is you already tried this to pick the food,
Yeah.
and you can feel why it's more easily. Is the spoon or the paper clip?
Spoon.
Okay, you already got the answer. And
Okay.
please keep. I will ask back. Okay, this is your spoon. Okay, now we are going to round 2.
What is round 2?
While waiting, you can fill the question.
Before the best.
The spoon is the best.
Why do you what do you tell?
Apanya?
Okay,
What is this?
I will give you the types. Do you have any problem?
Miss,
Yes?
First one is for the
in
different
round
types of
type
bigs.
1, we have mixed food. And
Yes.
we type spoon and paper clips.
But that one is peanuts too. I don't know.
Gimana, Miss?
You call the peanuts.
Peanuts, yes?
Yes.
Yes.
You can write here. The peanuts is 30, or maybe the rice is just write like that.
So if the spoon also catch the peanuts, how?
Yeah, you write here the peanuts you catch by spoon. Berapa? How much? And the rice you catch by the paper clips. How much? Like that. Do you have any difficulties?
No, but I don't know with the second round is after this.
Yes, after the second one is the same. We will use the paper clips and also the spoon. Like that, we collect the food.
Okay. With a spoon, like we collect langsung ini. atau
One by one.
One by one.
One by
In
one.
30 seconds.
Yes, for 30 seconds, one by one. Same like before.
Okay.
Okay.
Spoon too.
Use the spoon too.
Mau gantian kamu yang
Where is your
Itu
paper
diambil
clip?
Audi. How can you do
Yang
that?
kamu, maaf ya.
Okay. Do you already?
Maaf ya.
Gimana try again dong? Oke, I will hold.
Susah juga jauh.
Ya udah.
Iya.
Oh ya udah. Oke.
Okay, let's
Ya,
try. Oh,
makanya-
maybe I think because the spoon is really easy, maybe we can switch into the fork.
Oh no,
Okay.
you use
Oke,
fork.
oke.
Okay, this is the
Let it
fork.
be what it would be. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Do you have any question?
No.
Let's start. I will say start and begin. Start.
Okay, one by one only.
One,
Oh,
two.
pecah.
Oh, it's broke. Okay.
So it's one.
Tiga,
Yang itu satu berarti.
empat.
They 30 seconds left.
No, mental.
We count down 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Enough.
Are
Okay.
you okay?
Let's count your findings.
It's okay, it's okay.
It's a bit hard ya.
Yes.
I got 6 from the fork.
You got
You
six.
got
You
six.
got
I don't know.
You got 7.
7.
Okay,
Why you
please.
guys 6, 7?
Okay, after you.
Seven.
Okay, guys.
I gotta do it.
Okay.
Iya. Kamu berapa?
Be quiet.
Okay.
Let's write your finding to your worksheet.
How many?
How many worksheet?
Okay.
12.
You can write
Is it in here or is it here?
in the round 2.
Oh, in
Round
here.
2, yes.
And you can total your findings. It's okay
How
to
do you calculate
use
this? You math teacher.
You?
Well,
12, yeah.
ini berapa?
Single food 12. 50.
After you fill out the table, you can also answer the question. And after that, let's present to the front.
Ini my do result.
The conclusion is with this step is the hardest.
Yes.
Are we the bird or the food? I mean,
You are the bird.
oh, we are the bird.
Yeah.
Really, this type of bigs, if it's already present, that it will be more challenging
We
to
burn.
collect the food, I guess.
Good,
So
Audi.
what is
Good
this,
point.
Audi?
Yeah.
Okay,
Why
maybe.
do the result change
What
when the
if
environment
we
changes?
just answer the
Ini
question in the
change
front,
ketika
so you doesn't
environment
need to
change.
fill out.
Oh, alright.
Because we use
Okay, Audi,
So
Sani.
it's because of this-nya kan?
Yeah.
Okay, do you already fill out the table? That's
Oh,
okay.
I have.
Maybe
That's
the
okay.
environment menghasilkan makanan yang berbeda. Soalnya kan tadi ini
The
lebih
environment.
gampang karena bentuk makanannya juga begini.
Yeah.
So
If
because
it's
of
still-
the environment.
Iya. If it's still the rice, maybe it will be harder.
Okay, guys. Maybe the second question you will answer in front. That's okay. So you doesn't need to fill out.
Oke.
Okay, you can go into front all of your group, and we can compare to each other.
Iya. Go Sunny, go Sunny.
Let's
Go
go.
Sunny, go Sunny, go.
And the other can help.
We're not
Ada lapar.
together maju.
Okay, let's
Oh, satu-satu. Oh, terus.
Yeah, the representative.
let's share your findings. Okay, from this round one, what do you think?
Remember, we are birds.
Okay, please pay attention.
Takut banget.
Okay, do you ready? Okay, let's share your findings. So from the round one, what type big that easily to get the food?
The spoon.
The spoon.
Yeah.
All type of food, like the bigger one and small one.
It got everything.
And what type of the bigs are usually to get the small food or maybe the big food? The big food.
The spoon can get the small too.
Can get small too. How about the fork?
The fork.
Just get the big.
Yeah,
Get
just
the big.
peanuts.
Because tadi nggak ada.
Oh, in the first. Yeah.
Because the type of food in round 2 just peanuts.
Yeah, just peanuts. And how about the paper clips?
It's hard.
It's hard. Can the paper clips get the small food also?
Miss, look at my hand. Just.
Oh,
my
Oh, sorry. Okay, how about the
It's
small
hurting
food?
the bird.
Oh, thank you so much, Cinda. Maybe I will do for my evaluation to make a game more safety.
Okay.
Okay.
Safety games.
So from this, what do you think the type of birds will be more adaptive or maybe will not get natural selection? Will natural selection?
Big type with spoon.
Yeah,
Spoon.
with spoon.
Because they have
Can catch many different.
A lot of food.
Yes.
every lot of
many
food.
Yeah.
Okay,
So they can adapt and survive.
Yeah, they survive better.
that's right. And what the type of the bird that maybe can get selected to,
Die.
The bird with
they can be die or maybe they can be change their food type of food.
The paper clip.
The paper clip because it's way too hard
Yeah, it's
to
too
get the
hard.
seed.
Mhm.
Okay, thank you for
Yay.
Cinda and also Sani. Please, you can up to your seat. Okay, from your findings. So, what is natural selection? Okay, what natural selection you get from these activities? It's like
Adapting.
adapting to the
Environment.
environment.
when the environment is changing.
When the environment changing. Okay, thank you Sarah and Sunny, Cinda and Sunny, and also audience also all of you. So,
Okay.
natural selection is the process when organisms adapted to their specific environment are more likely to survive. So there are already variation, but the type of variation can adapt to the environment. It can pass their genetic to their offsprings. Okay, so natural selection based on your activities, natural selection, it can happen because there is variation in the population, and also it can happen because the environmental for the sample, like resources are limited, and also competition. And there are so many types of natural selection. Maybe we can discuss more about this in the next meetings. So what you learned today and what you can conclude from these activities, we conclude together.
Natural selection is process adapting to environment.
To the environment. Okay, excellent, Sunny and Alia. What else? What we can learn from the activities? Your activities actually demonstrate how natural selection works. So the more fits to the environment, they will be more survive.
Oh, but if it's limited.
Okay, do you get it?
Yes.
Okay, so I want to know about your understanding. Maybe it will be homework. You can scan this quiz, and I will give you the deadline until today. I think at the night.
Oh, midnight.
Yeah, midnight. At midnight. Please don't forget to doing that. And also, before we end our activities today, I want to give you some quotes from Charles Darwin. So, the quote is, "It is not the strongest of the species that survive, nor the most intelligent, but the one most responsive to change." Okay. So yes, next week we will learn about the genetic drift and the difference between natural selection and also the types of natural selection. Please prepare. And maybe that's all for me. Thank you for participating and being active to this class. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss. Yeah. Parah. This bird stone age.
Mau kasih lagi.
Maaf, Beb.
Bu Farah.
Udah. Iya.
Langsung English or
Maaf. Semangat, Pak.
Kalau udah share bilang lah.
Iya, bentar. Masih. Oke. Nanti aja deh. Oke. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, student. Okay, so good morning, everyone. How do you feel this morning? Apa itu, Andi? Excited. Okay. How about Audi, maybe, or anyone else? Good. Sunny, maybe. How do you feel this morning, Sunny?
I'm not good.
Why, Sunny?
I'm a bit tired.
Tired? Why? Kenapa tired?
Maybe I'm lacking sleep.
Lacking sleep? Begadang ya kamu ya?
Yeah.
Because of homework?
Yes,
Okay.
man.
So maybe if you are feeling sleepy, you can go to bed to the toilet first. Maybe you can wash your face, or maybe drinking some water first.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone else? Fine. Okay.
How are you, man?
Oh, I'm good. Thanks, Audi. Thank you. Okay. So, huh? Oh, kenapa Shinda? Okay, before we start our lesson today, maybe I will check your readiness first. Maybe you can tidy your uniform and please keep unnecessary things in your bag, please. Just prepare your book and pen. Okay. So, who is absent for today?
Aryo, man.
Aryo. Why Aryo?
Joining competition ya?
Competition again?
What
Banyak
competition?
competitionnya.
Banyak banget competitionnya. Okay. Oh,
Oh.
What kind of athlete? Yeah, I know.
angkat beban.
That's my
Oke.
best thing.
Selain Aryo ada lagi?
Jordan.
Jordan.
Of course,
Of
because
course.
Ira is compete with Jordan.
They become
Oh.
soulmate. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay. Okay, so thanks for the information. But selain Aryo, semuanya lengkap di sini?
Not me.
Okay. Okay. Before we start our lesson, maybe Audi, can you lead the prayer first?
Okay. Before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Praying start. Praying finish.
Okay, thanks Audi for the lead the prayer. Okay.
Bobo boy.
It's Bobo Boy.
You love Bobo boy.
Audi love Bobo Boy? Me too.
Because he's actually handsome.
It's
I
fictional.
like the
Oh,
visual.
I'm sorry.
Is it cartoon or on Global TV?
Oh, that's my childhood memory.
Okay. In the previous lesson, do you remember what are we talk about?
We talk about the concept homeostasis.
Yes. Good job, Audi. So, what that means of homeostasis in general? In general.
A condition to maintain an internal condition. I don't know.
Can you repeat again, Audi?
A process to maintain an internal condition of our body.
Okay. To maintain.
To maintain an internal
An
condition
internal?
of our body.
Okay. Good job, Audi. In our body, yeah. Our body. Okay.
Yes.
Good job, Audi. So the homeostasis is the body ability to maintain stable internal environment. And let's begin with this news. Do you know about this news?
Oh no! Yeah.
Okay. So
So pity.
do you know about this news?
No.
No. Yeah, as you can see in this slide, maybe more and more people in Indonesia get diabetes. So in fact, Indonesia ranks 5th in the world for number of the people get diabetes. Maybe you have family with diabetes.
Oh yes, I have.
Do you have diabetes, Audi?
No, but my family
My family, your family, okay. Yeah. So, many young people are getting diabetes too. I have read some news that about they have some problems in their kidneys because they like to drink some sweet drinks gitu. Nah, so what do you think about this case? Apa kaitannya dengan diabetes sama kenapa apa kaitannya diabetes dengan kebiasaan mereka meminum minuman manis? Any idea?
Maybe miss the sweet drink, the glucose.
The glucose, yeah,
is stuck in their blood.
Stuck in their blood. Okay, good job, Andy. Anyone else?
Thank
Maybe.
you.
Yeah, miss, maybe it's too much and it can be breakdown. It can be decreased.
Decrease. Okay. Yeah, good job, Audi and Andy. So your answer is related to our topic for today, which is the control of blood sugar. Ya, ini kelanjutannya dari kemarin tentang homeostasis. So, let's in this topic, I hope you can explain how negative feedback regulates blood glucose concentration and analyze the effect of insulin on muscle cells and liver cells when blood glucose concentration increase. And the last one, and analyze the effect of glucagon on liver cells when blood glucose concentration decreases. Okay, let's begin with what is the negative feedback means. Di sini udah tertulis ya. Negative feedback is a process that helps keeps body condition stable by reversing changes. So, the first, as you can see in this loop, negative feedback loops, first body in homeostasis atau in set point gitu. Jadi dalam keadaan normal, balance gitu. Your body is balanced. But when the variable throws body out of balance, ketika ada suatu variabel yang maybe dia increase or decrease, so the body out of balance, menjadi tidak balance. Nah, and then your body give a response that opposite that changes to contract the change. Jadi responnya itu adalah kebalikannya dari perubahannya itu. Example, when something goes up and the body tries to bring it down gitu. Okay. Di sini bisa dilihat helps keeps body condition stable by reversing changes gitu. Okay. Blood sugar in everyday life. So, every day we must eat food, right? Yeah. Nah, after we eat the food, your sugar blood will increase gitu. Jadi di situ bisa dilihat. Jadi sehari-hari we need to eat the food that carbohydrate for our main resource for ATP and then we got an energy gitu for our activities. And then in the bloodstream, glucose will increase after we eat food gitu. Okay, so after we eat food, food will be processed in our digest system. And I want you recall a little bit about digest system. You can, Audi, can you please attention for me? Okay. Okay, you can see the internal human digest system. I want you to recall a little bit about that. So there are two organs yang ada tanda panahnya. The first one is, what is that? What is the organs?
It's like heart.
Liver. Okay. Liver. Okay. Okay, the first is liver. So di situ tertulis glycogen. Nah, do you remember what is the glycogen?
It's like a type of glucose. Maybe.
Glucose, yeah. So after we eat the food, some glucose will stores in our liver as a glycogen. Oke. Glycogen ya. Di sini ada glycogen. Stores glucose as glycogen. Okay, the second one is what is the origin? Yang warna kuning? Ya, apa Audi?
Like
Pancreas. Okay, good job Audi. Pancreas. So, in the pancreas, I'll write glucagon and insulin hormone. So the pancreas produce insulin hormone and glucagon hormone. Gitu. Do you remember which cells responsible for the produce this hormone in pancreas? Maybe
beta cell,
beta cell for what hormone?
insulin.
Insulin. Good job Andi. Beta cells produce insulin hormone. Kalau ada beta berarti ada
Theta,
alpha cells. Oke, alpha cells berarti memproduksi glucagon. Oke.
So they are different.
Yes, they're different. Glucagon, different hormone. So those two organs will be work together to regulate our blood sugar. So after food process in our digestive system, it will be terdistribusi ke saluran peredaran darah gitu, in bloodstream. And so the glucose will be in the bloodstream and also must enters to cells for what? Energy ATP. Before ATP berarti ada proses apa di dalam cells? Metabolism. Which is respiration, respiration. So the glucose needed for cells for doing respiration, and then the cells can be produce ATP for energy. Okay. Okay, so this is a feedback mechanism in the our bloodstream when we consume the glucose. So you can see yang paling atas, the first is negative feedback control of high blood glucose concentration. Okay, I want you see this one first. So the green line is concentration of blood glucose. Okay, and the green area yang dari sini sampai sini itu adalah usual range of glucose. Okay, first when high blood glucose concentration, when glucose increases in our blood, so the receptors that are alpha and beta cells in the islets of Langerhans in our pancreas will detect rise in blood glucose. So the receptors is alpha and beta cells. Oke, dia bakal mendeteksi kenaikan gula pada darah gitu. Nah kemudian less glucagon and more insulin secreted from our pancreas gitu. Jadi kalau gula darahnya increase, kata kuncinya itu ada less glucagon and more insulin secreted. Jadi yang tinggi adalah insulinnya, betul, insulin. So the effectorsnya, liver cells respond to less glucagon, no glycogen breakdown, and liver, muscles and fat cells respond to more insulin, and then increase uptake and use of the glucose. Maksudnya adalah efeknya adalah liver cells respon to less glucagon, dan glucagon tadi kan itu fungsinya untuk membreakdown glikogen menjadi glukosa. Nah, jadi bisa dilihat di sini. Glucagon that produced by pancreas will break down the glycogen into the glukosa gitu. Nah, sedangkan insulin that produced by pancreas itu akan membuat muscle cells itu lebih banyak menyerap gula gitu. Nah, the second one is negative feedback control of low blood glucose concentration. The receptors alpha and beta cells in the islets detect fall in blood glucose, so more glucagon and less insulin. And then the effectors, liver cells respond to more glucagon by breaking down glycogen into glucose, and liver muscles and fat cells respond to less insulin, reduce uptake of the glucose. Do you understand about this mechanism? Or maybe any question, Sunny?
Yes.
Yeah?
Can you explain one more?
One more. What part?
All the part.
All the part. Okay. Okay, it's okay, Sina. It's okay. Maybe to help you to understand the mechanism, I will draw the bagannya gitu. So, okay. This is a normal condition. Normal condition. So, first, our body is a normal condition. And then, there are blood sugar change. Ada perubahan gula darah gitu. Blood sugar concentration change. Oke. Itu kita bagi dari dua. Ada yang high, and ada yang low. Okay. The first one is when your blood glucose or sugar is high concentration. Di sini akan kedua perubahan ini akan dideteksi pertama kali oleh organ pankreas, gitu. Jadi di sini bisa ditulis ini pankreas, alpha and beta cells. Oke. Di sini saya tulis detect by. Sampai sini paham? You understand?
Yeah.
Oke. Nah, deteksinya gimana? Ketika pankreas sudah mendapatkan sinyal ini, nanti di sini ada dua response for high and low sugar. That's different response. Okay, for high, ketika gula darahnya tinggi, berarti yang perlu dilakukan oleh tubuh adalah menyerap gula tersebut dari bloodstream, from our bloodstream. Jadi need insulin or glucagon? Insulin. So di sini less glucagonnya akan glucagon, and more insulin. Oke, kita satu-satu dulu ya, yang high dulu kita selesaikan. Oke. Nah, ketika sudah ada insulin, so di sini ada dua, ada muscle cells and liver cells. Okay, muscle cells will uptake itu maksudnya mengambil ya, uptake the glucose because there are insulin in our bloodstream. Uptake glucose. And liver cells juga akan mengambil glucose, tapi disimpan dalam bentuk apa tadi? Glikogen gitu. So, akan stores Maybe I will change the student. Store glucose as glycogen. Glycogen. Nah, kalau udah diambil, berarti the blood sugar in our bloodstream will be low. Decrease. Blood sugar decrease. Okay, do you understand until this part? Okay, so what about when the condition is low?
The glucagon is
More glucagon. Okay. More glucagon and less
insulin.
Less insulin. Okay. And then the effect for muscle cells, first one. Muscle cells. Less insulin. Berarti dia tidak mengambil.
Oh, not
Yeah,
uptake.
not uptake. Uptake the glucose. Because the glucose in bloodstream sudah low gitu, jadi tidak mengambil gitu.
low.
Yeah, already low. Uptake the glucose. And for liver cell, what the effect? Yes, good job Sinda. Berarti memecah glycogen. Yeah. Breakdown. Yeah. Glycogen into glucose. The muscle cells, the glucose it's not uptake, and liver cells produce glucose. So
Blood sugar increase.
increase. Good job, Sinda. Increase. Okay. Kurang lebih seperti itu, Sinda, about this mechanism. Do you understand? Or maybe? Okay. Okay. So, can we next to the next slide?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, okay. In the next slide will be a question. So I want you to take a look in this part. More insulin. So muscle cells can uptake glucose. I want you to highlight this part. Uptake the glucose. And when the blood sugar is low, yang lebih bekerja adalah liver cells and break down glycogen into the glucose. So the question is, how does first insulin enable muscle cells to take up glucose? So there is a detailed process for insulin enable muscle cells to take up the glucose. So how does the process gitu? And the second, how does glucagon stimulate the liver to regulate glucose production from glycogen? There is a detailed process also. So I want you to do some activity. Okay, I will give you a set of cards. You will find the answer by read this card. But first, I will divide you into two groups first. Sunny maybe with Alia will be group 1. Audi, Andi, and Shinda will be group B, A and B gitu. Okay. You can take first. Okay, and this is a worksheet. Okay. Andi, you can join with Andi and Shinda ya, Audi. Okay. So you can. Okay. You can use the card with your, by read the instruction on the worksheet. you wanna ask something, you just ask me, and yeah, maybe I will give you 7 minutes to do your discussion group. Yeah, you can start right now. I will set a timer.
This is for you. This one for me.
Okay.
The same. Only different.
One different number.
The picture is also different.
You can ngurutin.
Oh.
Ada nomornya di belakangnya. Terus dilihat apa perbedaannya setiap gambar. Proses apa yang terjadi di
Satu
setiap.
dulu coba.
Ya, coba you can
Okay.
start with the first one.
And then second.
Maybe Audi you can move a little bit.
I'm the
I don't
three
understand, Miss.
numbers.
Okay.
Three numbers.
Ini.
What happened?
You read this card sesuai dengan urutannya. Jadi di sini ada urutannya.
Just up.
Dan lihat what is the difference with each card.
This is
So
three.
maybe you can look this first picture. There is just receptor and glucose cannot go in into the cells. And what about the second one? Yeah.
Pembentukan ini ya. Glukagon ya.
Insulin.
Insulin. Okay, so
Atau yang ini,
insulin comes into the receptor and binds. And then whatnya
Breakdown. Pembentukan breakdown.
Okay, three.
Oh kan glukagon reseptor ya. Jadi nangkap glukagon dipecah.
Di pertama
Terus
ada
di sini mana substance fosfor. Oke, bersama
Go to
dia
the
nangkap
membrane cell.
Yes.
reseptor
Good job,
pakai G
Sunny.
protein.
And then
Dia bukan.
what happened into the
Course-nya.
yes, so lebih tepatnya dia fusi,
Belum saya.
menyatu,
Gitu. Ini
So.
pertamanya dia diem dulu nih. Ada
Oh,
glukagon
ini
reseptor sama
kesini.
yes,
Oh, I
glukagon
see. So it makes the pores.
dia tuh
yes, so
Oh,
yeah, yes.
siklatnya itu
So the GLUT4 is a
jadi aktif
protein yang bisa untuk transporter, protein transporter.
subunit.
Oh jadi ini nih dia ngirim ini.
Oke.
Okay, I'll send it.
Oke,
Dia berpindah
oke, sip.
Kayaknya nggak sih?
Oh iya, jadi si ininya ini sama ini ya,
Is this the right
Iya.
miss?
Miss.
Mhm,
Jadi pertamanya,
pertamanya,
pas gak ada glukagon,
ya, is in normal condition gitu.
glukagon ada,
Glukagon ada,
ininya pindah, terus bergabung sama ini.
lebih tepatnya the first is the adenylate ini inactive, but when the glucagon binds to the receptors, dia akan bersatu dengan G protein menjadi aktif gitu. Jadi diaktifkan, bukan berpindah, but become active gitu, from inactive. Okay.
And then after that,
What
have
is
CAMP.
Memecah apa itu?
Memecah apa tuh?
Jadi ATP dan
Memecah adenylyl cyclase.
Iya, ini dari sini menjadi
Can.
ya CAN.
What
Do you know kepanjangan dari ATP?
Adenosin trifosfat.
Adenosine triphosphate. What about AMP?
Adenosin monofosfat.
So dia breakdown kan, dipecah gitu. Jadi ATP dipecah oleh si
G protein.
iya G protein iya.
Adenylyl cyclase ini.
Yang sudah aktif menjadi
CAM.
CAMP gitu. CAMP itu adalah second messenger. Second messenger. Adenosine monofosfatnya itu second messenger.
What about the R? Here. What is R?
R itu kayak cabangnya gitu sebenarnya. Cabang dari si CAMP ini yang bersatu dengan
PKA.
PKA itu protein kinase.
Oh.
Yeah, you can
With
scan the barcode for the explanation about this picture too.
Here, miss.
Ini ebook and video also.
Okay, miss. I will try.
Interesting. So after the R is lepas dari PKA and the PKA aktif.
Iya, aktif gitu.
And then
The
breakdown the glucagon.
yes, sebenarnya ini PKA aktif, kemudian PKA akan mengaktifkan beberapa enzim dulu, baru kemudian enzim yang akan
Memecah
iya,
glucagon.
glukagon menjadi
Glucose.
glucose. Okay, yeah.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Any question again? Maybe. Maybe Audi, do you understand? Okay. Oh my god.
Bentar, di mananya? Aku tuh tadi enggak kebetulan nanya. Ini kenapa?
Okay. So, are you finished, students? Yes. Okay. You can take a look. Okay. Maybe first, I want you to each group, please read the answer. The last question aja gitu. Just the last question, maybe. Maybe from group B.
Yes.
You can go to in front of the class, and please. Okay, so it's about the detail how does insulin enable muscle cells to take up. Kalau group B berarti about glucagon stimulate the liver to regulate glucose production from glycogen. Yes.
So this is the process of how does glucagon stimulate the liver to regulate glucose production from glycogen. Please,
Yeah.
Okay, the process. The first one, there is no glucagon, and then glucagon binds with the glucagon receptor in the cell and can make the G protein active with adenylate cyclase, and then together the adenylate cyclase and G protein change the ATP into CIAP, and the CIAP second messenger can activate the protein kinase, and then protein kinase active. When the protein kinase active, when the protein kinase active, and then produce many enzyme.
Yeah, enzyme.
And then so many glycogen break down into glucose when the enzyme is active.
Okay. Enough, Cinda? Okay, thank you, Cinda. You can sit down again. Okay, what about the group A? About the effect of insulin.
Okay, so I will
Okay.
describe it. So first, glucose cannot enter into cells, and then there's insulin that binds with the receptor there, and then the receptor signals to the cell, and the GLUT4 move to the membrane cell, and then the GLUT4 fuses with membrane, and GLUT4 roll as a door. So glucose in the vessels can enter into cells.
Okay, thank you, Alia. You can sit down again. Okay, so the answer, all of you, is correct, and you can read also in our book, ya, ebook gitu, for the explanation more detail. So because we are limited of time, maybe what is the conclusion for today?
I want to.
Okay, Andi, boleh.
So, from our discussion, so the insulin will get more higher if if there any glucose
Any
in
glucose?
the blood cell,
Bloodstream. Bloodstream. Okay, and then?
and then if there are less glucose,
Yeah, less glucose.
so the hormone that will be high is the glucagon.
Okay, betul. Okay, anyone else to maybe there is addition from anyone else? Okay. Okay, you got Sunny. Okay, thanks Andi for the conclusion. Maybe enough for today lessons. I hope this lesson is useful for our daily. I'm sorry if any mistake from me. And in the next meeting, we will talk about homeostasis in a plant. Okay, so thanks for your attention today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, finish. Next week, there will be 3 students left. Yeah, please prepare for the next performance. And yeah, I appreciate for the 2 performers today. There are no comments yet from us. Itu saja ya Bu.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you Miss Daniar and then Fanti. Ya.
Oh iya.
Waduh. Pura-pura ngajar. Mantul saja. Kayak gini. Oh, gini. Iya,
Iya, makanya saya yang fotoin.
Dua-duanya dapat.
Terima kasih.
Thank you Sani.
Lagian kemarin kakak iya, aku kan sudah bilang harus ada yang dukung, gak ada yang ingat.
Tapi since you have no observer,
Iya harus.
Iya sih.
PJ. Enggak, kayaknya Minggu mau pakai seragam deh. Soalnya lupa aja hari ini janjian.
Iya.
Yang tulis itu use the uniform.
tapi
Iya
nanti
kayak
kalau
gini.
studentnya dikit,
Enggak, kalau next week kayaknya bakal banyak soalnya udah selesai UAS dating.
Iya.
Kita mau ngajakin adek.
Karena minggu ini masih banyak ya.
Iya, minggu ini masih ada minggu depan udah pada selesai sih kan.
Tapi dibatasi itu kan kursinya tuh
Oh iya.
di stasiun itu.
Paling 5 lagi sih.
Iya bisa.
Iya, bisa
5 bisa. Miss.
Iya, minggu depan udah selesai. Anak bio, anak
Let's take
bio.
photo. Aku belum foto.
Bio.
Oh, belum foto tadi. Siapa yang dapat?
Selesai deh.
harinya mereka
Akhirnya yang dipakai sama hitam awil.
Kenapa bos? Oh iya, Oreo. Ini kemarin. Itu matching kan bu?
Enggak.
Iya, Bu Fanti against kerudung hitam. Padahal Oreo bagus.
Oreo.
Ya, ada istilahnya Oreo menempel di kita. Ada krim, ada hitam-hitam. Ada Oreo. Enggak ada rok yang matching sama
Oh,
bajunya.
Oreo.
Iya. Oke, Andi juga Oreo.
Emang itu istilah kalian?
Iya.
Umum.
Istilah saya.
Maksudnya sakit dia better gini.
Itu kemarin Jumat sih.
Jadi
Oreo. Wow.
kalau begitu di kostum hitam soft nggak apa-apa, ambil satu warna. Alia blusnya blusnya kan udah soft tuh.
Iya.
Tabrakan sama hitam.
Roknya memang belum ada yang
Jangan
matching.
jangan patokan rok.
Iya, baju.
Patokannya sih blus.
Ininya yang menyesuaikan.
Iya.
so it's matching class.
Sebenarnya kata generasi Gen Z memang aneh. Semua hitam.
Karena netral bu.
Iya,
Kalau lagi punya itu.
Yang nggak cocok. Makanya kayak krem putih itu nggak selalu netral. Terus kan kita belum bicara soal tone kulit ya.
Oh my god. Wow, salah analisis.
Saya nggak terlalu jago deh gitu.
Nah, Miss, itu MAP wajib kan?
Yes.
Oke.
Yang 4 produk itu aja sih.
Berarti itu tinggal.
Iya. Ya,
Parah belum nggak sih parah?
belum.
Ini itu oh ini. Oh my god.
Tapi soalnya potongan ini dari mem yang collection.
Ini yang nggak parah.
Lebih dari pas kecil.
Just starting was the day. This week. This is what
Buka grup Avi.
Yang 4 grup yang 4 produk itu.
Itu ada punya saya sih. Hehehe.